Elevate your construction experience with the Tomahawk Concrete Vibrator, featuring a robust 2-horsepower Honda engine. Designed for versatility in construction, formwork, patching, and repairs, it excels in effectively removing air bubbles for quicker concrete settling. Carefully cut through the packaging and take out the components from the box. Next, seamlessly attach your whip to the centrifugal clutch system. Ensure your backpack is on a flat, stable surface and locate the fuel cap and add precisely 0.67 quarts of 86 or higher octane gas. Then, locate and remove the dipstick and add precisely 4.4 ounces of oil. Ensure both caps are securely screwed back into position. Once your backpack is fueled and ready, move the choke lever to the closed position. Press the priming bulb several times until priming bulb is filled with fuel. Switch the engine to the on position and then pull the recoil starter to start the engine. Following these steps ensures a correct setup and operation. And for more tips and tricks, click subscribe today.